Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on DashCam channel. Today, we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on Java's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show. A camera caught a crash aftermath on his dashcam, when Java was flipped on its side and the damage done to the vehicles was enormous. Let's just hope that the participants in this accident were not injured. We have some really impatient drivers who can't stand being stuck in traffic. They were so impatient and angry that they started creating lanes on their own, and the whole road started to look like one huge mess.
Co ty robisz?
Pickup truck Java passed the camera and got back into his lane way too soon and without using his turn signals as well.
Thanks for all the room. You didn't do turn signal. Sticky on my shoe. I just stepped in gum or something. That's over.
Jesus Christ, idiot! Just get one car ahead.
We've seen a lot of crazy moves so far in traffic, but this lady here takes the cake. She pulled a totally crazy move and blocked everyone and everything, just so she could pick up someone from the market. Note to all drivers, whenever you are making a turn, please make sure you use your indicators. It's always disappointing to see a truck driver behaving like this on the road, because we are all used on them being professionals, and instead of acting like one, this guy right here was acting really childish. In this situation here, the camera caught a driver in a red pickup truck casually run a red light.
All right. Will a whack packer die, and if so, who? Forget
To
that.
have this. This discussion.
All right, skip that one. Oh, wait, Gary's got an answer. Go ahead.
I'm just looking. I have a list up here from when we had our pool years ago.
Who's in your list?
Was it this Bigfoot?
His career.
It's Backstage Blend. Richard Marks. You may remember. Oh, right here on the blend. Well, now I'm back in my old style.
Make sure to adjust your speed to the road conditions. In other words, if the road is wet, take it easy on your gas pedal. The driver here wanted to drive like a normal and responsible driver, but these bikers he caught on his dashcam were complete opposite of that. They were swerving in and out of lanes and in between other cars like it's totally okay, and they even brake checked the camera.
we talked a little bit about that earlier. There are different reasons why different people think the Bible is dangerous.
Okay, Garmin.
For example,
Same
Pope
video.
Francis.
There are different reasons why different people think the Bible is dangerous. Okay, Garmin. Same video.
Francis a few years ago said the Bible is a
Same video.
believe it.
People are driving crazy tonight.
Impatient driver in a pickup truck decided that for some odd reason he needed to be in front of others. We strongly advise you from acting like this on the road because it can cause an accident really fast. Java that's about to appear shortly in this video apparently has a death wish. Check out how he ran onto the road.
Current loop video is now locked.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.